Never again do I have to say, honey, can you open this for me? Or my other trick, take the back of a knife and just slam on it and then still struggle to get a jar open because I have the Easy Off. This was sent to me. So this is what it comes with. It looks like that. And you have that sticky tape, which we'll take off. And then you also have screws as well. This part is sharp and that's gonna face out. So here we go. Gonna stick it right up there. Push that on, and that adhesive is pretty strong. You may or may not need the screws, really up to you. And then I have a jar here, my first jar using it. It's jalapeno, so let's hope the juice doesn't go everywhere. Piece of cake. Oh, and I didn't even do the plastic. Wow. I didn't even take the plastic and it got it right off. So this is definitely a game changer. It's a convenience. Yes, I could have opened that on my own, but how convenient is that? I love it. And it's out of sight, so no one sees it.